I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Volvo XC60 key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly. While holding the button, carefully pull the mechanical key straight out from the top of the fob. This key is essential for accessing the battery compartment. Now that the mechanical key is out, look for a small slot near where the key was housed. Insert the tip of the mechanical key into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the key slightly. You will hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be careful not to force it. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently remove the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing upwards, just like the old one. Ensure it sits snugly in its compartment. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into its slot until it locks into position. Your Volvo XC60 key fob is now ready for use with a fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.